Hi, my name is Daniel here at Motor Match Stockport, and I'm going to be taking you around this approved used vehicle. Here we have this fantastic Volvo XC60 2-litre T5 R-Design Auto all-wheel drive. Now this vehicle has currently done 33,063 miles and it's finished in the colour pine grey. It's an extremely stylish yet super safe SUV. It does sit nicely on 19-inch alloy wheels. You've got LED headlights which light up the road nicely, providing you with great visibility. In the boot you will find 483 litres of space. This can be increased to 1,410 litres with the rear seats down. Taking a look inside to the rear, you have your gorgeous leather interior with touches of cloth. It features ISOFIX points on the outer seat, so you can easily fit a child seat into the vehicle and be sure it's safely secured in for peace of mind. Up front you have your leather wrapped multifunction steering wheel. Moving around to your front seats, you do have plenty of adjustment in the driver's seat, so you can easily find the perfect driving position and be sure you're comfortable behind the wheel. On your steering wheel to the left you'll find your cruise control. To the right you'll find controls for adjusting the infotainment system, as well as controls for accessing the display here in the instrument cluster. You've got access to trip data and even access to your media, phone and navigation menus. Centered here in the dashboard you have your touchscreen infotainment system. The system has access to DAB and FM radio. You can also play your own music through USB and Bluetooth connectivity. There's even access to the Spotify app on the system. The system does feature navigation to ensure you're never lost, allowing you to head to all new places with ease. Again, here on the main menu you have quick access to your media. There's also your telephone menu where you can safely make hands-free phone calls while on the go. You've got your car functions here where you can access features such as your lane keeping aid and collision avoidance to keep you safe and secure when you're on the go. Also on the system you have access to your dual zone automatic climate control. On here you also have your heated front seats and steering wheel to keep you nice and warm on those colder days. This Volvo features front and rear parking sensors to make parking much easier. Below the display you have some physical controls here for the infotainment system and climate control. In the center console you have your automatic gear selector and electronic handbrake. Our AC extended warranties are available. For more information or to book a test drive, give us a call on 0161 885 0358 or inquire online now.